When I got started, I was pretty much on my own. But it doesn't have to be that way for you. That's what the digital marketing revolution is all about. The movie featured 45 of the world's top, most successful online entrepreneurs who gave you their best advice. They want you to succeed and follow in their footsteps. They know here's plenty to go around, so they don't need to be stingy with their advice. Plenty of opportunity is available for people just like you to be hugely successful online. We had a movie, a quiz, an ebook, and a web class all designed to get you started in the right direction. They're set to be taken down at midnight on Tuesday. But far more important is the Digital Marketing Revolution course that we offer to those who are really motivated to get there fast and willing to invest a modest amount in their future. It's a bundle designed to get you up to speed quickly, and at an investment that is way below market value, but that also expires at midnight on Tuesday. It's time to act. Winners act. Losers procrastinate. Winners do something with what they learn. They get their hands on good tools and use them to build their empires. I'm hoping that's you. So, click on the link below and get started now. It's time your dreams become your reality. Click the link in the description below and be on your way.